Hello, my name is Benjamin Hart. I'm an American attorney and the Managing Director of Integrity Legal here in Bangkok, Thailand. As the title of this video suggests, we're going to be discussing Thai work permits with respect to permanent residents in the specific context of some recent developments with respect to the Labor Ministry placing certain quotas on Thai to foreign labor ratios. So what are we talking about here? Well, there's two other videos on this channel where we specifically go into recent developments with respect to foreign labor quotas here in Thailand. Suffice it to say that basically the Thais are effectively by policy capping out the number of foreigners who will be allowed to be employed within a given endeavor at 20% compared to the overall population of workers that are undertaking said endeavor. So a company will probably be the most likely structure you'd be seeing that under, but it's possible you could see things like limited partnerships employing a number of people, and these foreign labor quotas are still going to apply. So 20%, you're allowed to have 20% foreign workers to every, as part of the ratio allowed in any endeavor. So in most classic, especially small businesses set up over here, where you've got a B visa and a Thai work permit, 4-to-1 ratio has always had to be maintained in order to continuously get work permits and business visas renewed, specifically business visa extensions. And so what are we talking about here? Well, if you have one foreigner, you need to have 4 Thais. Well, if you count the total number of laborers or the total number of employees within that structure, you've got 5, one of whom's a foreigner, 4 of whom are Thai. That meets your 20% requirement because 1 out of 5 is 20%. But here's the interesting thing, and this is going to be where I bring up the permanent residence issue. Permanent residents have some different rules with respect to things like the registered capital necessary in order to support a work permit on a given company, as well as the number of workers, the number of Thai workers that have to be employed by that company. And basically, somebody who has PR in the kingdom, there is no 4-to-1 ratio. In fact, there's no ratio. As I go into in another video on this channel, there is a specific ratio for O visas for those who are married to Thai, and I'll go into that in detail in another channel. I urge you, those who are married to Thai and present in the kingdom on an O visa, to check out that video specifically. But with specific respect to permanent residents, there was never any ratio required. So you could have no Thai employees if you were a permanent resident and still manage to get a work permit, and a visa really wasn't an issue. Now that we have these labor regulations where they're creating this 20% cap, permanent resident in Thailand is not a citizen of Thailand. They remain a foreign national. They're simply a foreign national with a work permit. Or I shouldn't say work permit. I'm sorry. Excuse me. I misspoke. They're simply a foreign national with permanent residence. And in the past, they had these special rules with respect to the ratio of employees that allowed permanent residents to not have to deal with the 4-to-1 ratio. The implementation of this 20% cap, that could result in permanent residents having to deal with this 4-to-1 ratio in much the same way that Thai B visa holders have to deal with the 4-to-1 ratio with respect to their work permit and visa extensions. Hopefully we're going to get some more clarification on this in coming days and weeks. As soon as we do, we'll try to put up a video as soon as possible to sort of provide an update with respect to this specific issue.